Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel again. My name is Sherry Mark. Thank you for joining me tonight and thank you for being my guest today. Today we have something different prepared for this lesson. We are going to speak about visiting the restaurant and giving order in the restaurant. The first thing we are going to learn today is how we give orders in the restaurant, and generally how we speak using the Kikuyu language in that restaurant setting. So we're going to go straight ahead to the first sentence, and most probably you get inside the restaurant and the first thing you do is to greet the waiter or even the person you meet there. So we're going to start right away with the greetings. And let's say, for example, you get inside in the morning and you are like, okay, good morning, how are you? Uhoro wa rucini, mwega. Good morning, how are you? Uhoro wa rucini, good morning. Mwega, how are you? Now, let's say you've done the greetings and now you want to place your order. Now, let's say, for example, you want to say, I'd like some tea. Dehera shai. Dehera shai. I'd like some coffee. Dehera kahua. Dehera kahua. Kahua is coffee. Shai is tea. Dehera kahua. I'd like some bread. Dehera mugate. Dehera mugate. I'd like some bread with eggs. Dehera mugate na matubi. Dehera, bring me mugate na matubi. Bring me bread with eggs. Or dehera mugate na matubi. Bring me bread with eggs. I'd like some buns. Dehera madathi. Dehera madathi. I'd like some buns. Now, let's say, for example, you want to say coffee with milk. Shai wina shukari. No, sorry. Shai wina iria. Coffee with milk. Shai wina iria. No, sorry. Shai is tea. Iria is milk. Let's say you want to say coffee with milk. Kahua na iria. Kahua na iria. Let's say you want to say tea with milk. Shai na iria. Shai wina iria. Tea with milk. Coffee with milk. Kahua na iria. Let's say, for example, you want to say a lot of milk. A lot of milk. Bring me a lot of milk. Dehera iria riigi. Dehera iria riigi. Bring me a lot of milk. Iria is milk. A lot is riigi. Iria riigi. Let's say you want to order tea with sugar. Shai wina shukari. Tea with sugar. Shai wina shukari. Dehera shai chai wina shukari. Bring me tea with sugar. Let's say you want to say not too sweet or a lot of sugar. Shukari mwega. Shukari mwega. Mwega means a lot. Shukari means sugar. Let's say you say not too sweet or less sugar. Shukari monini. Shukari monini. Shukari is sugar. Monini is less. Or you can even say otare moshamu. Otare moshamu. That is meaning not too sweet. Otare moshamu. You can even add some more and say otare moshamu mono. Not too sweet. Otare moshamu mono. Mono is like not so much sugar. Now, let's say for example you even want to go ahead and ask about more drinks, and this time you can ask for water. I'd like some water. Dehera mai. Dehera mai. I'd like some water. I'd like 2 glasses of water. Dehera girathi igiri shamai. Dehera, bring me girathi igiri, 2 glasses of water. Shamai. Dehera girathi igiri shamai. Now, let's say you even want some juice. Dehera mai macugwa. Dehera mai macugwa. Bring me some juice, or I'd like some juice. If you want to say I'd like orange juice. Dehera mai macugwa. Macugwa are oranges. Dehera mai macugwa. Bring me orange juice, or I'd like some orange juice. Let's say for example you want some banana juice and you give an order and say I'd like some banana juice. Dehera mai marigu. Dehera mai marigu. Let's say you give an order and say I'd like some fruits. Dehera matuda. Dehera matuda. Matuda are fruits. Dehera matuda. Now, when you are giving an order, you might say for 2 people, for 1 people, for a group. Now, for example, you are giving an order for 2 people. You can say dehera shia ado ere. Dehera shia ado ere. For 2 people. Now, you have drunk some tea, some juice, and now you want to go for food. You want to give an order and say, I'd like some food. Dehera irio. Dehera irio. Irio is food. That is the general term for food. To be very specific, you can say specific food like meat, like ugali. For example, you want to order some meat. Dehera nyama. Dehera nyama. Nyama is meat. You can say I'd like some grilled meat or barbecued meat. Dehera nyama ya oshina. dehera, nyama ya gucina, or dehera, nyama ya muhihio, nyama ya muhihio. Muhihio or gucina is grilled or barbecued. Muhihio. Now you can say, I'd like some meat stew. Dehera, nyama ya mukarago. Dehera, nyama ya mukarago. I'd like some meat stew, or I'd like stewed meat. Dehera, nyama ya mukarago. Now, let's say you give an order and say, I'd like some ugali. Dehera, gima. Dehera, gima. Ugali is very common in Kenya, as you might have seen on the internet or in Google. It's made out of maize flour. So you can say ugali in Kikuyu is called gima. Dehera, gima. Now, let's say you want to order some vegetables. You can say dehera boga. Dehera boga. Now you have ordered a lot of food. You've eaten the meat, the veggies, and the fruits. Now let's say you want to do the payment. Now, if you want to say, I'd like to pay, this is how you say it. Dehera, you can say direda koreha. Direda koreha. I'd like to pay. Now, you can even go further and ask, how much is it? How much is it? Ne besha shigana. Ne besha shigana. Ne, how much? Besha, money. How much is it? Ne besha shigana. Shigana is how much. How much exactly. Now, let's say you want to say, I'd like to pay with a card. Direda koreha na kadi. Direda, I'd like to pay. Koreha, koreha is to pay, the act of paying. Na kadi, kadi is the card. Direda koreha na kadi. Direda koreha na kadi. Let's say you might realize it is expensive and maybe you want to tell the waiter it's expensive. You can say negoro. 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 It's expensive. You can even say it's cheap. Neraivi. Neraivi. Now, you are done with the payment and everything. Now you want to just say thank you. You can end that and say beg you. Beg you. Now, with that, I'm going to end this video right here. I wish you all a good evening. Keep subscribing to this channel. Give it a like. Comment down there and share this to your fellow friends and families. With those few words, adios. See you next time. Goodbye.